Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm bringing you some thrifted things that I've had in my to-do box that I love, but I just can't use them until I make them over. Packing up for the new place, I really want to redo them so I can store them with my other neutral decor, so I'll have some new things to pick from. Normally on these videos I just do the before and after because you're not going to have the same exact things I have, but when you do come across like framed chalkboards and stuff like that, you will see what I did and hopefully it'll inspire you. So the first thing is originally from Kirkland's. It is a Christmas chalkboard, but I think if I make this more neutral that I'll have a lot more use out of it. I can hang it portrait or landscape, change the ribbon. Looking forward to seeing where I can use this. Now the next thing is a cute little wooden box with a drawer. I love the color of it, but this hunter green just really won't match anywhere in my house. It used to match. I think I'm going to give this a little paint job and a little facelift and put this on my nightstand to replace a basket that I keep chapstick and vitamins and things like that. I will give this thing a whole new look with a little paint and love. Alright, the next thing is one of these little craft kits that Home Depot has for children, but what it is one of those little farmhouse toolboxes. There's lots of things you can do with this, indoor or outdoor decor. You can put greenery in it, but just a cute little farmhouse style box that I wanted to make over, and if I decide not to keep it, I can always put it in the moving sale. The next thing is just a little wooden block that someone had routed out a little space for post-it notes, and so I'm going to redo this little box and make it look a little better. And last but not least is this wooden monogram. Pick this up in the outlet bin store. I mean, I probably didn't pay over $1 for it. Some $2 spray paint will give this thing a whole new life, and this is definitely worth $20 or $25 at a craft show or any boutique that sells the wooden monograms. These are my before shots. I'm going to take a couple days and work on these projects, and then I'll share with you what I come up with. Alright, the first project is my wooden monogram. I'm going to insert a picture here of the before shot of it being a purple and a blue paint job. In 5 minutes and some black chalkboard paint, totally transformed this. This will look so pretty on a light colored wall above a fireplace in the center of a greenery wreath. You just can't go wrong with timeless pieces like this. Alright, the next project is the little wooden toolbox. Here's the little children's wood kit that it came, and I find these little kits in thrifting all the time. I paid 99 cents for this, and it just turned out adorable. 5 minutes to tack it together with a little styrofoam and some moss and some patriotic flowers. I can use this little wooden box all year long for different seasons. Just a great little piece to have. Alright, this little project didn't take but just a couple hours. I'll insert the picture here. It was just a wooden stained block that said Go Belmont or something like that. But anyway, just gave it a little gray coat of paint and then Mod Podged a little scrapbook paper on front, and then I had the little wooden letters, but a great little compact note block that I can stick anywhere on a desk or my craft room or something like that, and it definitely is a lot cuter than it was. The next project was this hunter green little drawer organizer. I'm going to put this on my nightstand like I said. I kept it hunter green, did a crackle finish, and then painted gray chalk paint over the top of that, and it gave it a grayish crackle finish, and then put a little scrapbook paper in the inside. Looking forward to using that and organizing some knickknacks that I have on my nightstand. Alright, the last project was the Christmas themed chalkboard. I just took some sandpaper and sanded all around the glitter part and just did a couple coats of white paint. Stuck a little Christmas pick on there just to show you that you can totally change the look up of this little neutral chalkboard. I changed the ribbon just to some neutral jute twine, and so this will just be a fun board to have that I can write welcome friends or happy birthday or whatever I want to do. It's just always good to have something neutral if you need a little sign for the door or a party or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed these little projects. None of them were blow your socks off, but just wanted to show you that in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour, you can transform these ugly thrifted items into something that you'll love. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be back in a few days. Bye-bye.